Welcome to the channel. This video is on Draw.io tool. Type Draw.io and press enter. This is a flowchart maker and online diagram software through which we can create diagrams for free. I have already shared video on Draw.io tool. You can check out videos. To know more about Draw.io tool, you can check out videos from the playlist of Draw.io tool. Here is the Draw.io playlist. Number of videos are available where I have shared how to draw ER diagram, use case, sequence, class diagrams and many more. To know more about Draw.io tool, how to use this website, check out videos from my playlist. Recently I received one comment in the comment box asking how to change background in Draw.io tool. So this video is on how to change background color, that is canvas color of Draw.io tool. Let's get started. Type Draw.io to start. Click on create new diagram. Type file name. Choose file type .png. Choose blank diagram. Click on create. Now save it on your drive. Choose save as, type editable bitmap image. Click on save. So this is the canvas area where we can draw different type of diagrams. Now to change the background color, click on file option. Select option page setup. You can see page size, background color, grid size image. Beside background, click on this box. Here is the palette of colors. You can change the background of color. For example, I'll choose any one of the color. Click apply. Again click on apply option and it is saved. In a similar way, you can choose any color. Again click on the square box and choose the color. If you want white, choose white. Click apply. Click apply again and it is saved. In this way you can change the background color. I hope you will find this video helpful. Hit the subscribe button, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.